how can you determine what will resonate with your audience? Oh, there's tons of tools that'll help you with that.
Yep.
Survey your customers, talk to them regularly, figure out who that VIP customer is. So we want more of our best customer and less of our worst customer. There's all kinds of tools that allow you to do that, from customer journey mapping to user personas to customer development interviews. So like, go get first party data from the people that you want to work with. Go talk to them. Ask them what they value. So there's all kinds of bigger tools you can use. You can buy information, you can buy data sets, you can ask industry peers, you can go collect information yourself. But like the best thing to do is like, go ask them. Focus groups are a little, people that want to be in focus groups.
There's some real business fundamentals, like build some user personas.
Yep.
Right. Try to determine who you're actually targeting with your marketing. The stronger an idea you can develop of who your customer is, the more effective all of your marketing is going to be, political or otherwise.
Yes. It's very difficult. If you don't know who you're selling to, it's very difficult to sell, period. And that goes down to, what do they value? What do they hate? What do they love? Who they've tried, what they believe, what they read, like everything. I want to try and get as nitty gritty as possible, because that's where you're going to start to see some opportunities. Oh, they're fun. In the marketing world, I like that. It's like, oh, there's a huge pocket of people that I can go get, that I know that will identify with the brand. That's sweet.